Okcoin, the first foundational thing that we have a strong belief in is that Bitcoin serves as a foundational layer for all crypto assets. So that's number one. For us as a platform, we will always put Bitcoin first in all experiences. Then the second stage of our evaluation happens when we think about utility-driven assets. So our first strategy is always looking at assets that are ultimately driving utility in the world of crypto and digital assets. So if you look earlier this year, we listed Stacks 2.0. We're the first and only exchange to list that asset. And then you look at AVAX and Near that we recently listed. All these assets have one thing in common. They have utility baked into them. It is a platform that allows developers to come and build on top of it. And it's not just about speculation of these assets. It's about what you're able to do with these assets.